Welcome to Vlogmas Day 12. Okay, so day 11's right down here. And it says 6 socks. And I got another little mini Kit Kat bar today. Alright, let's get the sock calendar. This has proved to be the toughest calendar to open. So I've been pulling them out this way. Ah, cute. Peace, love, and joy. These are really cute. I like these. I love baby blue. It's my favorite color. So that's that one. Making a roast and potatoes today for supper. So tomorrow's going to be the last day of the sock calendar, guys. Alright, let's look for day 11 in here. Right up here. I recommend, unless Sephora does something to change these calendars, do not buy them. Because they are not good. Alright, my Shopper's Drug Mart one, I can smell it already. This is a brightening eye cream. That's a good size for an eye cream to try out because you don't need a lot of eye cream, so that's not bad. I know, I'm all over the place. Alright, let's see if Shoppers can live up to the good times, because like I said, these, I don't know, we'll have to wait until we find an empty one, because okay, day 2. Three, no, right here, yep, day 2. Hold on a second, I get this out. So this is a conditioner from Monday. Is the brand. That's a good size too, actually. So, Smooth Lisser conditioner. Paraben free, cruelty free. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Alright guys, so here's my little haul from today. Pretty good, pretty good. Okay, I'm going to tell you what I did to start. I rubbed some olive oil on both sides. Then I put some seasoning on both sides. Then I put this on 350. I put it on for 5 minutes on each side just to sear it a bit. Then I put the rack in and I put onions on top and all around and a little bit of water. And now I'm going to turn the temperature down to between 200 and 250. So like 225. And I'm going to put a little bit more, the seasoning I put on was salt, pepper, and garlic powder. I'm going to put a little bit more garlic powder on it because I like garlic, and so does Mike. There. And then we're just going to slow cook it for the day, and later on I'll put in the vegetables, the carrots and the baby potatoes. Okay guys, so we went to drop off some garbage at the... Odie, is Daddy going to get coffee? We're up at Tim Hortons. We're going to get a candy cane hot chocolate. I got to stop. I'm glad they're only out for like a little over a month of the year because I'm addicted. But we just went for a little drive. We took Odie. I'm still in my pajamas. I don't care because I knew I wasn't getting into the truck. But I have a rant for you guys. I am getting so sick of China Post right now. I ordered a couple things from Amazon. Now, I've ordered from China before from Amazon, and I've got, like, okay, these, for instance, see these things here? It's hooks that hook over the back seat, and your purse hangs on it. That on Amazon says that, sorry, they're late. I got them 2 months ago, but it still says they're not delivered. And I've ordered from China before, and I've got my stuff no problem. I ordered 2 packages the last couple of months. One was a set of like animal eared headbands for like when I'm doing my makeup or my skincare or whatever, just so I could have backups. And the other one was light up gnomes, little gnomes that light up, ornaments. Okay, so first of all, the headbands, I ordered them first. It said they were delivered. They weren't delivered. I never ever got them, so I don't know what happened to them. No clue. So I messaged them and they gave me a refund. They never ever did show up, so I don't know. Now these gnomes, it says that they were for delivery since Monday, December 5th. And now it says that they were delivered directly to Sherry. And my last name, it says that they were delivered directly to me. And I'm like, no, they weren't. I didn't get them. So I just messaged them. It's a Sunday, so I guess they're not working today. I'm waiting to hear back from them. Now, mind you, they were only $8.50. I only paid $8.50 for them. But if they don't come, I might be out $8.50. I don't know, because it says when I tried to apply for refund, it says I'm unable to. But I think it's because I have to talk to the seller first. But why are all my packages from China Post just disappearing? It says that they're delivered and they're not delivered. Now, I know other people had issues with this because Mike's daughter told me that people were having issues with it, so I'm not sure. So, although I hate to not support certain things because, like I said, there's certain things that only come from China for really good prices, I'm going to make sure that anything that I order on Amazon from here on out is from the US or Canada. I'm sorry, but it's just the way it is because I'm having issues. So, what are you doing, Odie? What are you doing? Hi. Are we out for coffee? Are we out for coffee? Where's Daddy? Where'd Daddy go? He's coming. I think Daddy's coming. He's trying to watch to see where he is. He's looking in the windows at Tim Hortons. He's trying to find out where Mike is. Daddy. Where'd Daddy go? Where'd he go? He'll be out in a minute, buddy. He'll be here in a minute. Anyway, alright, we're going to go home and have our hot chocolate and slow cook my roast for the day. And I'll talk to you guys when something more exciting is happening. Not that anything exciting is going to happen, but you know what I mean. I don't know if I told you guys this, but do you guys see how gray I'm going? I've decided not to dye my hair anymore. I'm just going to embrace the gray. Even if it ends up with a whole head of gray hair, I don't care. Actually, mine aren't gray. They're silver. Can you see that? They're silver. So I don't care. I'm just embracing it because I don't want to kill off any more hair up here. And I've been using Olaplex products on my hair, and I find that they are doing some good for my hair. So, yeah, I'm just going to embrace the gray and go with it. My dad's wife, my stepmother, she's gone all gray and I really love it. I love the color. She has it cut short too, so I might do something like that. I'm not sure. Dear Daddy. Oh, Daddy. Oh, boy. All right, I'll talk to you in a bit. Let's have a look-see, shall we? Looking good. We're gonna have a pecan pie for dessert. And the roast is still slow cooking. It looks like it's all, and see, oh, doesn't that look good? Oh, it's gonna be so yummy. It needs probably another half hour or so. I just turned it up a little bit because it was cooking really slow. So about another half hour and that should be good. And here is my completed supper. It looks delicious. I can't wait to eat. It smells delicious too. Okay guys, supper was delicious and Mike is doing the dishes now, and then we're going to have some pecan pie. I'll have a cup of tea with mine, and that's going to be it for the day. So I'm going to end this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed spending Sunday with me. You guys will see it Monday, and I hope you guys had a great weekend, and I hope you guys have a great week coming up, and take care of yourselves and each other, and I'll talk to you guys all in the next one. Bye everyone.